Duke. Psst, Duke. I think we should check on Liam. Duke.
All right, finally caught you,
Tim. Thanks. He got the jump on me. I guess I couldn't see him because of the cone.
Then get rid of the cone.
Oh, man, I would, but my therapist says I need it.
Oh, okay, well, that makes sense.
Yeah, it's a medical device. These doctors...
There. You're cured. Hallelujah.
Not a fan. I am not a fan of the farm.
Hey, Max.
Hey, Chloe, do you ever wonder where they go during the day?
Do you know what? I don't really care.
Maybe that's what it's like for you, but Katie and I have a different relationship. You know, you're a cat, so maybe that's why, because nobody could ever love a cat the way they love a dog. I'm just saying. Maybe that's why.
Whatever you need to tell yourself. When I got my claws caught in the curtains, who pulled me down? Max did. Buddy, Mel. Oh no. Oh no.